Day 5 breakfast. Boil 1 butternut for 8 to 10 minutes. Once soft, take it out and mash it up like so. Into this add 3 cups of plain flour and salt and mix. Then add a little water at a time as you knead to form a dough. The secret to a soft chapati is in the kneading and resting. So I usually do this for about 5 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons oil and knead some more. Then place it in a bowl and cover and let it rest for about 20 minutes. Once rested, using some plain flour and a rolling pin, roll out the dough into a large circle. Spread 3 tablespoons oil all over it and cut it into strips. Then you want to roll each strip like so and set aside. Cover as you continue with the rest. Then take one ball and roll it out thin. Throw it on a hot pan and let it cook for 30 seconds. Flip it over and spread some oil over it. Flip and cook for 1 minute as you apply more oil. Flip again, cook for 30 seconds and it's ready. Fold it up and serve it with hot chai. Just look at how soft this is. Well, enjoy and see you later with a lunch recipe.